Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I just a few minutes ago just did a video on this. It came out pretty cool, and I started thinking this would be a good project for the clone tool. So I just took our original graphic, and if you didn't watch that, matter of fact, I'm going to turn this to 0. Well, you got to grab them all, Doug. Turn this to 0. And we're going to clone this guy. So this is 3 different parts, 3 objects. I'm going to go to edit and clone. I'm not 100% sure this will work, but I think it will. So now I'm going to move that out of the way. And if you look, this is a group of 3 objects. Well, that's a group of 3 objects, but we got a clone curve. On here, we have control curve. So there's 3 different ones. I'm going to go ahead and group this together, Control G. I'm hoping this will work, and I'm going to double click on the rotation, and I'm going to rotate it that 120 degrees. I didn't make a duplicate, so I'll make a duplicate and go back to 0. To me is the easiest, and then Control D. Now, we could probably group all these together to do what we need to do, and we're going to rotate it 30 degrees so it's at that angle. Control D and make a duplicate. Grab that node and put it right there. And I said in the last video, if you get it the first try, then your Control D will keep working. We can move this out of the way. Maybe I won't do as many just to make sure it works. Control G to group, Control D to duplicate, and then move that right there, and then Control D, Control D, Control D. Now, I'm pretty sure this is going to work, and this way we can see it better. I'm going to get the boundary tool and put a boundary. I'm going to go ahead and make it black. I'm going to take away the outline. I'm going to go to effect, or excuse me, object order, back a page. And I think for this to work, I might have to ungroup these, but we're going to see. Now, this is our curve, our control, our clone. The master clone. We're going to grab that top blue line and get our interactive fill tool, and we're going to expand it out. And look what it did to all the other ones. I'm going to change the color just so we can see it actually working. Look at that. It changed the entire look. Just in this way you could do it. I've called this for years, real time. Let's grab the second one, grab the interactive fill tool, expand it out. I mean, look at the difference. It's making it, I mean, you could not do this if you didn't do it like this and try to be watching it. See, and make them all white. I'm going to back that up. Now let's grab that last little one. So see, these are broken apart. They don't even have to be touching for this to work, I wouldn't think. And we're going to expand that out. Look at that. Now that doesn't look as cool. So we're going to get it back, and let's put a little blue further down and then some white closer in and then some white between. I mean, look at that. I don't like that double white. Look at that. Anyway, that's pretty cool. How do you do that? I wonder if I delete these 2, will it delete them all? Yep. Look at that. That's a total different look. You wouldn't want to probably do that. But, I mean, being able to change the whole board, so I'm guessing you could make a copy or another clone and have total different colors. And let's do the top one again. So I always have to select it with the pick tool to make sure I have the top. Matter of fact, we'll separate it. And we'll get the interactive fill tool again and bring it out. I mean, look at that. Let's add a little black to the center, more so. That's too much. Black on, I mean, look at that. I mean, it's amazing that it can do it that fast. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody a little bit. Thank you for watching.